Hello everyone, welcome to the latest video. Digger Evans Model Railway box opening first of all. Sorry about the parrot, I've covered him up but he still won't shut up. This, as you know, it's winter time. It's very cold where I am, -10, -11 at night and things. And so I do need things to be doing at home, in the house, on the model bench. And this is the first of my box openings. Got a few things to show you. Plenty of packaging. As you know, I build kits excuse me, that I can use on the layout. The first one, Unimog military truck. It's not going to be military, it's going to be built civilian. It is 172, but I'll get away with it on the 176 layout. And this is going to give me something to do during these long, cold, dark, horrible winters. The other one, my oldest boy Stephen got me this as a Christmas present, and it's a Russian modern army truck, long wheelbase. Needless to say, this is not going to be a military truck. It's going to be a civilian truck that goes and collects scrap from the scrapyard. Probably put a high-ab grabber on the back. So that's two little kits that I've got there. I'll just move that carefully, and that's going to keep me busy with those two. I'll put them with my other kits. I've got 5 kits now ready to build. We'll have a quick look at this. I can't do my zoom lens because I've got my gimbal on the phone. It has a gimbal attachment, a feature, to stop it looking like we're on Deadliest Catch. This is the last of the tall building, sadly, that I got given off a friend of mine. This one I've marked it up as a hotel, and I'm going to put a sign on the roof saying hotel, although it's not a hotel any longer. It's now private apartments, and I'm going to put a couple of signs in the windows to advertise that. Sorry about the parrot. Just give it a rest, Jimmy. You're covered up. You're supposed to think it's night time. Fire escape's got to go on, and we've got to put a soil stack on as well. We've got to do a lot more weathering. You'll notice I have done a bit of weathering. If you look on the edges, I've briefly sprayed around each of the edge, the ground on all sides, and the edges going up and under the roof as well. That's what I've done with a dark German grey, so it makes it look dirty and horrible. Oh God, I'm so sorry about these parrots. You really need to be quiet, parrots, really do. So that's that building done. Got some more work to do, plenty to keep me busy. These are 2 little prizes I won off Barnabas Junction channel. Jason at Barnabas, every Tuesday he's holding competition giveaways. Dead easy to enter, dead easy to win. Nearly everybody wins something. And I've won that, which is a chemical tanker. I haven't done anything to it yet apart from change the colour of the ladder, the walkway on the top, which is now an aluminium type of colour. And I won that hopper as well. That's I've bashed it about a bit and give it some rust, see if we can bring it in, and you can see the various shades of rust and things what I've done that doesn't show up too good, but you get the gist of it. So it looks like it's been in service a while and knocked about a bit. Jimmy, you horrible parrot, shut up. I'm so sorry, it's really annoying, isn't it? The next thing I've got is a delivery here, which is a webcam. I'll show you that on my next video. And I've got a Christmas parcel from Scale Model Scenery on the way, so I'll be showing you that next. That's all it is, just a very quick update to show you where I'm at, what I'm up to, and what the next project's on the bench. I hope to get another video out before the end of the year, but in case I don't, I just want to say thank you all ever so much for your support over the last year. It's been a great year. I've had lots of fun, and I appreciate each and every one of you supporting the channel by subscribing and watching. You are supporting the channel, and that's all I can ask, and I'm very grateful to all of you for doing that. Thank you all ever so much. Have a great Christmas, a happy new year, and whatever other holidays you're celebrating, please enjoy yourselves and do it safely. I'll speak to you all very soon. Bye bye for now, my friends, and do take care.